So if you want to enable predictive text on your Android phone, follow this guide. First of all, open up your settings. Now I have to say that the ways of doing this may vary from the phone model which you're using. So this one is for Samsung phones. Also, I'm going to explain how to do it on the Gboard. Alright, so scroll down to your General Management tab. Here it is. Now find your Samsung keyboard settings and simply find your Predictive Text option. Turn in done, and that's it. Now this feature will assist you in typing faster with suggested words. If you're using a Gboard, in your settings you have to find your Gboard or Google Keyboard. There, open up keyboard settings, and there you have to find a text correction option. So enable it, show suggestion strip, and this activates the predictive text showing word suggestions as you type. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.